Hey guys, it's your boy Ash AOB. Welcome back to the channel. So we are on location at Huckleberry Trail. It's basically right here where we are. That's not too big of a trail, to be honest, but it's convenient for testing. So there's a little hill climb here with some obstacles, and then there's this side hill climb that goes across here. So we're gonna give that a try. These are the stock foams. Alright, so we're gonna try the side hill climb. See, it's already super flexible and tired to the side. Quite upward. Till that point. So as you can see, stock foam, we rolled there. There we are. This is the little root marking that we're using there. So we will find the same line when we put in the squid insert. There we go again. Trying to stay high. So right at this little nook here is where it tips every time. Okay, so that's for that. Let's just try and climb it up this hill. Alright, so we're going to tackle this hill climb here. Let's give it a try. So we saw the side hilling capabilities. Let's just try going up. These are the flat iron SL Pro line. Right there. Drop back a bit. No problem. Alright, let's give it another try. Probably try this line here. Going up. Almost lost my foot. There we go. Try again. Slightly. Well, let's try to go a little wider. There we go. Those are pretty well. Fastest in the world. gonna do a little bit of downhill here through this little section, and then basically wrap it up for that test. So let's see what to do.
Put in this 3D insert in here and come back to the same little section and give it a try.
But, you know, everybody has foams. Y'all see how the foams work. This is a hard body, so it's a little heavier at the top, which is why I wanted the Squiddies for this. So that works. We're just gonna go down. Come up there. Trying to turn it around to the other. There you go. Try not to kill myself walking down this. There it is, guys. that's it, guys. So basically, these are how the foams are. These are not brand new foams or brand new tires, but they have not been used that much. So the wheels are brand new. You guys saw the last video. So we're gonna go and strip out these foams, put in the squiddies, and then we'll be right back out here probably tomorrow to test and see what the difference is. So we're gonna run the same exact line, same uphill, same downhill, same branch, same everything. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. I'll show you guys some more footage when I get home putting in the squiddies. So just hang tight, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are back on the house and we've got our squiddies that are inserted into here. I'll just throw a couple clips in real quick so you guys can see slightly the process. It's basically the same as putting in foams. There's not really much difference to it. They're just stiffer and they're 3D printed and they're like jelly-ish kind of. But yeah, I'll just insert those right now. So now that you guys saw those little snips, that wasn't much, but still. So we got them here. We're gonna go ahead and install them on here. If you guys have squiddies or you're thinking of getting squiddies, don't put them on the vehicle and then have your vehicle just sitting, because then it will start to create this dip here, which looks really nice. But with these, because it's not foam, it's a little harder for it to take back shape of a perfect circle. So with these, I just recommend that you leave them either off the vehicle or on the vehicle, but the vehicle has to be elevated like this off the ground so the wheels are not touching. So we're just gonna go ahead and swap these over right now, put these wheels on, and then we're gonna head right back to Huckleberry Trail. We're gonna be meeting up with Crawlers. He's gonna be making his way out there. So we're gonna go and get this video done, running the same lines that you saw earlier in the video, and we're gonna run the same trail at Huckleberry and try and duplicate it as best as possible. Everything is exactly the same. We have not changed anything except for the pinion gear. We did increase the size of the pinion gear because this thing was awfully slow. But that's not going to affect the actual drivability and stability when it comes to the wheels and tires. So let's go ahead and swap these over real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys once we're already swapped over, show you guys how it looks, and then we're going to head straight over. So just give me a second. Alright guys, so that's it. We got the squiddies on. You guys already saw the inserts for it. So they're sitting on the truck now. I think this actually might be a good idea. So using the four wheels that came off of this, I just use them underneath the axles and it keeps it nice and elevated. So instead of having to keep taking these on and off, like I can just leave them on and stick them on top of that until I do get a proper stand for these trucks that will sit them and lift them up. For now, man, that'll work. Because main thing is keep these elevated off the ground so it doesn't flat point certain areas and stuff like that. So yeah, one problem solved. But either way, So we're gonna go and boogie it over to Huckleberry Trail right now. We'll see if Hooper's already there. Let's see what's going on. But yeah, we're gonna head over there now, and you'll see me at the trail. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we are on location. Got Hooper out here. Big up, big up. We are at Huckleberry, so we got the trucks out. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so we got the trucks out here. So we got the Squiddies in here. Look at a sticker. Got the red cat out here. Let's see what the red cat can do. We're gonna do the same lines. So back on the same little path across here, and then try to get up there. But last time we only made it to about this part and it rolled. So let's see what these can do. All right, here we go. Taking the line, going up by this branch again. Going pretty good so far. I would say that's a big improvement already. We've already made it past the part where we made it a little bit further. We're gonna try another line there. I'm gonna go behind the red cat. Try to mimic his line here. Didn't work. As you can see, the red cat is just insane. Alright, so we're gonna bring it back up again, see if we can make it over there. Stay a little bit lower. I would say I'm getting pretty good grip with these Squiddies, to be honest. A little hung up on these branches. There we go, power through that one. Trying to lift my whole truck up. There we go. Use that branch to hook and roll around. Like that. Reverse back a bit. Or maybe not. Oh. They both flipped it. Alright, so let's try this hill climb over here. The squids definitely are doing a little better, especially on this line. Let's try to come back over this line here. Right, yep, perfect. And then we're gonna come across here, and then we're gonna go up that hill, and then down the other side like we did in the other video. So let's get going. Let the ascent lead. See if we can pull out of there as well. Bit of a heavier truck for sure, as you guys can see. To work her down. Oh! Alright. She's still just sliding away to me. I think that, is there a branch holding me or something? Alright, go forward a bit. Let me see if I can just follow this line. see if we can get her across this. Right cat has already fell, so I don't really feel too promising at this point. Kinda doing it, she's kinda doing it. There we go. Alright, on to the next part of the trail. These are behind the controllers of the Squiddies on the Enduro. Certain spots are just difficult. Like the spot he's in right now. Kind of hits up on that roof. There we go. Not bad, not bad. Let's see if the tank can make that little section here. That almost made it up. I did not touch it, it went up by itself. Thought you were in the bed. Guys, Squiddies in action. There you go. There you go. Y'all saw those squids, bro. Look at the flex in those tires. I love that. Yeah, I'm gonna get another set of these for the red cat. So these are nice. Let's let the red cat. Alright, let's see. Power. I can't wait to switch that to brushless. It's gonna be nice when it's brushless. Be able to climb anything. Yeah, man. Got to see all of that on camera. It's a little hard. It is very slippery going up there. Very muddy. As you guys can see on the tires, it's just covered. So now we're going to do the downhill part. Downhill section now. The branches still. Me for the red cat there. Looking good though. Look at that tire. That is nice. Back one. Back's not too heavy on this, but you can see the front. Front's a little heavy on this car. Squid inserts are doing their thing. Not bad. Alright, let's go finish it off.
push it all the way down like it was before. It still gives it good stability. It's basically a two-stage foam, but 3D printed. Very nice. Side hilling is better. Like I wasn't expecting like super perfect, but with the actual trailing of it, not bad. You gotta be you gotta work a little harder with this one because it is top heavy. This is a hard body, and it is gonna have an interior in it soon. So definitely good with the two-stage squid. But yeah, it's well coming out now. You want to give it a try on the side hill? See how you do? Right now, same spot. And that super hit the side hill. Alright, here we go. Has a lot more experience in this crawler than I do, so you might get a little farther than me, and that is perfectly fine. Let's see how these squiddies These squid inserts are doing their job. Let's see if it can pull it out. Hold on one second. Let me just show you guys how this angle really looks. Here we go. So this is like literally tilted. So let's see if it can actually pull this out or if it's just gonna tumble over. But these squids are doing this thing good justice. Look at that in the back there. Just slightly shifted instead of how it was before where it's like sitting way past the wheel. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Is that even touching? Yeah, looks like it. That one for sure isn't. But that is the tilt that we are on. So we're basically like this. So, alright Tali. Let's see what you can do. But at this point I probably would have already flipped, so just letting you guys know. Experience is key. Wow. Drivetrain on this is extremely strong. You can see that right over. This has the fully built gearbox from Tiny Tire RC. He built it himself, so threw that in there. It's full metal. I showed you. I'm pretty sure that's in a video somewhere. Check that out if you haven't seen it already. But yeah, this thing is powerful. It just needs the right motor. Alright, here we go, coming back. Oh, the lights look sick. There it goes. Not bad though. Pull in the winch of it. Very nice. Honestly, if this had power, it would power out of some of these situations too. I'm just drive out, you know. But like, when you give it gas, it's going really slow. Like,
just a little bit more power on
Yep.
the G, and then yeah, if you got a fusion,
yeah.
I sure it'll perform 3 times better with the power, with everything. And I like it. I like it.
It looks really nice.
She's not, the tires are not squishing it when she's going on the side, so you know,
Yeah.
even if it's pushed down, it's gonna give a tip, you know, it's gonna hold it down. Do you have any weights on it? Like in the front?
It has the portal weights in the front. It has.
What about those weights that you remember those weights that you give me?
Oh,
with
no,
the
no.
rims? No?
Nope. These are just the stock wheels from Endura, the turbine, with the Squiddy inserts in there. They do way more than the foams, obviously, but like by 20 grand. Nothing too crazy. But enough, I guess.
That's the same thing I was thinking. If the weight in the rim gonna make it a little bit different in how she's like, and on top of that, it's mud.
It's right. Yeah, well, yeah.
And it's mud,
really
so
muddy
you know it's
today.
gonna slip.
For
So
sure.
when the summer hits,
Hopefully it doesn't. But I do plan on probably putting some
weight to the side in the rims,
wheels.
right?
Yeah.
I was thinking
Just
about
like
that.
the Red Cat.
Mhm.
We're probably gonna put the same ones in here.
Because she's so top heavy, and then
Yeah.
she's gonna get a interior.
Gotta get an interior, yeah.
It's gonna be more weight up here, and I'm sure you wanna do the back and you know those things.
Yeah, well, the back's gonna stay pretty much empty, but it's gonna have a couple scale pieces and stuff like that once this is actually finished. This is gonna get all covered up, but we'll talk about that in another video. That's a surprise. Y'all don't know about that yet. Hallie knows about that, but y'all don't know about that yet. So we'll get to that, but yeah, it's basically interior, do a little special thing on the dash, and then I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably put all 4 wheel weights in this. Because in the Red Cat, I only have 2.
Yeah, try to do the front first.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do it step at a time. But I believe.
Overall, all 4.
Yeah, I'm gonna order them all, but I'm gonna try 2 and then see how that is and put in 4. This is a heavy truck. Like, that truck is a heavy truck. So basically, that was it really for testing these Squiddies. So obviously, you're gonna see this out on the trail. We're gonna take it out to either Lion's Den or the ravines or Death Valley or God knows where, and give this a proper run through. Probably the ravines, because like obviously they have like the craziest obstacles there. So we're gonna run that through, check that out. When I get back home, I'll do a little run through as well, and then we'll wrap everything up and get it all done. But so far, love these Squiddies. If we have any highlights that coming up, I'll slap the camera back on and take some highlights out of it. And we're gonna do a little bit more trailing, but I just don't want this video to be too long. So we're gonna cut it right now, and if there's any highlights, we'll slap them in. If not, then we'll wrap it up at home. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Hooper!
We out here testing the truck, making sure the truck is performing good. So when we hit the trail, no hiccup.
Exactly.
No turning over. Everything goes smooth.
Yes, sir. Alright, so I'll catch back with you guys in a moment. We're gonna go have a little fun. Yeah. Make it look easy, fam. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy that footage there of the Squiddies being ran. So basically they did good. It was a major improvement.
I'm actually quite surprised. Like, it really makes me want one for the Red Cat now. The Red Cat also did well, obviously, but this climbed a couple things that was slipping on, and I think it was because it had that extra support in the tire. So yeah, that's actually a really good investment for sure. So definitely check out Sled RC and get the Squid inserts. They're specific to size of tires, stuff like that. But they have it all on their website. Like, it's pretty cool. And big shout out to Jerry. He was the one who hooked up everything and got everything in motion. So thank you. But yeah, this was handled very well from the footage you guys just saw in the video. I would definitely recommend them. They are pretty cool. We'll see how they last though. We'll see how they hold up. But so far, first impressions, really nice, really nice. Made me want one for the Red Cat, so that's a big start. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up there. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys liked that video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.